Hello traders, this is Enon and I'm going to be walking you through how to use this exchange, amazing platform where you can buy, sell, trade your crypto assets at the very lowest fees. All right, now I'm just going to actually just sign up and then show you how it works. The link is going to be in the description of this video, so do well to click on it, activate your account and start trading. It's user friendly, backed up with high security, and of course you can easily navigate your way around the app. You can get the app on the Play Store, and you know what it is, so let's go. So first of all, I want to come here and just sign up. So I'm going to put in my password right now. I'll pause this video and do that. Okay, I've received my code and is actually what brought me here. So I'm just going to fill in my name, everything, my basically my personal information. And after you do this, you just have to click on continue. You have to click on what? Continue. All right, so I'm going to do mine right now. I'm going to do mine. So I've actually been able to create my account. So it says claim your bonus right now. Make deposit in USDT and receive up to 1,000 USDT bonus. So I want to make a deposit. I'll just deposit here. Click on deposit. And then let me select assets. I want to deposit USDT inside here. So I'm using TRC20 network. It's going to tell me get address. I'll copy this address now and then head over to any other exchange that I'm using to send money into this wallet. All right, that's basically what I want to do right now. Now I'm going to do that. I'll pause this video, then continue again. All right, so I've actually made a transfer from another of my account on Bybit straight down towards Enon, and I'm just going to wait for approval right there on my Enon account to see if my deposit has what come through. All right, to see if my deposit has come through. I transferred $20. I'm going to actually just come here and then wait it out to see how much I have in my wallet. All right, okay, can you see this? Bybit notification, 20 USDT has been transferred. So basically my wallet should be reading about 20 USDT here. Let me just refresh this and let's see it together. Just have to wait for it to what? Come on. Okay, it says congratulations, my bonus was what? Credited. Okay, it says congratulations, my bonus was credited. See, I got $21. All right, and now what got $21 for this. I got a bonus of about $1. Yeah. So now I also have a demo account. Okay, so I'm going to show you how this demo account works. I'll show you how it works from A to Z. I'll just click on go to demo. Then my demo account is active. Okay, so right now I want to log into my app. This is the website. I want to log into my app and then show you. Look at deposit has been received successfully, $20. As you can see from my email, I've gotten it. So let's go into the app and let's see what the app looks like. Stick around, let's go. Okay, I've been able to log in successfully into my app, and this is what the app looks like. You can do your trading, your conversions and everything. Now, if you want to get the app, all you have to do is just go over to your Play Store. You're going to see it right here. Just type in on this is the app and just install it, and then you can start using this app. Now, first things first, right? Let's see how much we have in our wallet. We have $21. We have $21, 21 USDT, and we got $1 for that amount. So invariably, when you deposit higher, you're going to get higher bonuses. All right, basically that is what it looks like. So next thing we want to do is to come here. Let's come here and let's see all the assets available. First of all, we have a lot of assets here that you can trade. Look at, we have a lot of them. We have Shiba, Wax, VChain, Pendle, a lot of them. You can go on according to what the categories. You can see layer 1, layer 2. You can see DeFi. You can see NFTs. You can see meme tokens, and so on and so forth. Rising, losing, infrastructure. And then if you come to the trading aspect, if you come to the trading, this is where you now what place your trades. Okay, we have a leverage of up to what? Let's see the leverage up to 50x. Okay, for BTC. So this is basically how you can come here and just place your trades. Basically, all right, it's that simple. Now, if you go to convert, you can come here and also just convert any of your assets that you want to convert. The platform is basically an amazing platform. Definitely, it's an amazing platform, and it's something that now when you come here, you just have to go set your authenticator, download your Google Authenticator and link it, and then you are good to go. Your account is fully secured. You have no problems at all. Now, so we want to try our demo wallet. Let's see what it looks like. So now let's try our demo wallet. Okay, this is demo. So for your demo, if you want to practice trading, you can come here and just practice what? Trading. All right, you can come here and practice your what? Trading. So let's say you want to get into an asset like this. Investment volume is 500 USDT here. But for the demo, I have up to about 1.2 million USDT for my demo. So I can come here and trade. So let's assume I want to go into a long. I just have to do what? Confirm the long trade. I can see my trade is already running, but this is basically just demo. All right, this is basically what? Demo. So if you want to practice your trading, you want to brush your skills up, you can actually just make use of this. And trust me, it's going to be what? An amazing time for you when you trade with Inon. All right, now you want to switch back to, look, I'm already in profit. Now, if you want to switch back to start real trading, you just have to click on this section right here. And voila, you're good to go. No stress at all. Okay, so I'm going to cancel this. Just going to cancel this. And just like that, we are good to go, good to go, good to go. So the link is going to be in the description of this video. Do where to sign up, fund, and then trade swiftly. I'm going to see you in the next video. Watch out. One love. Peace out. Yeah, let's go.